Remember Native Americans.
Ain't that a wishbone?
The metal thing?
Yeah. Isn't that what it's called?
It looks like. Aren't they usually like made of bone though?
Well, it's just a wishbone necklace. It's not the actual bone.
Well,
Dumbass.
fuck you. Fuck you.
Not the fucking... A band-aid. A credit card, a debit card.
What the fuck? Are you fucking with me?
A Marlboro.
Bro.
Advil.
A lot of tributes. Don't have anything on me. Who the fuck?
I'm not giving that away.
What the fuck is that, boy? I thought you quit smoking.
I was gonna fully quit.
Motherfucker.
I think this is valid. It is technically not 6 by